Welcome to Quick Bish Reviews, where we get straight to the point, no fluff, just facts and a little sass. Let's go. First up, the Calm Saff Airtight Glass Canister Set. Yes, they're cute, but more importantly, they seal tight. No stale snacks, no mystery pantry smells. Just clean, clear storage that looks like you have your life together. Next, the V-Top Mart Clear Drawer Organizers. These bins are the MVPs of junk drawer rehab, aka my makeup drawer. Stackable, wipeable, and they don't slide all over the place. You actually find what you're looking for. For laundry days that don't suck, the Bag-Ale Mesh Laundry Bags. Delicate, stay safe. Socks stop disappearing and bras don't get mangled. It's the little wins. Closet crammed. The House Day Black Magic Hangers multiply your space without the plastic eyesore. They're slim, strong for being plastic, and they actually work. You'd be surprised what these guys can hold. Also, they come in large packs of 10, so if one breaks, no biggie. Are you selling at markets and nobody knows what the price of your items are? Try these mini chalkboard easel signs. They're small, cute, and way easier than printing a ton of labels or repeating what the prices of your items are. Erase, rewrite, repeat. And last but not least, the Roxen 3-pack handbag rack. These are beautiful. Purses look elegant. What I like to use them for is long mala bead necklaces at markets. There are so many uses for these. They keep your bags upright, cute, and crease-free. No more purse piles in your closet or flopping over a table at events. Functional, yes. Aesthetic, also yes. Worth it, absolutely. Well, that's it for this Quick Bish review. Hit subscribe if you're into stuff that works and looks good doing it. All the links are in the description, and I will catch you on the next one.